Is WhatsApp automatically downloading photos and taking up storage on your phone? If you want to save space and only download the pictures you really need, you're in the right place. In this guide, I will show you how to easily disable automatic photo downloads on WhatsApp for iPhone. So, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post new videos. The first thing you need to do is find your WhatsApp app and open it. Once you're in the app, the next thing you need to do is tap on the gear icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access the settings. When you're on the settings page, you will see several options to customize WhatsApp. The next step is to scroll down a bit and find the option called Storage and Data, then tap on it to open additional options. Once you're in the Storage and Data section, under Media Auto Download, you'll see the following categories: photos, audio, video, and documents. To disable automatic photo downloads from chats, tap on Photos to open more options. In this section, you will see three options: Never, Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi and Cellular. To disable automatic downloads, tap on Never. And that's it. After you disable automatic downloads, WhatsApp will no longer automatically download the photos you receive in messages. Instead, you will be able to manually download only the photos you want by tapping on them in the chat. This can help you save storage on your phone and reduce internet usage, especially if you're using mobile data. If you ever want to re-enable automatic downloads, simply go back to Settings and select the appropriate option. If you found this video helpful, just leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. See you soon.